dramatic. I can hear the ticking of the needle and the thread. So I want to make sure everything's okay on the back. Take a look at the back. Feels really good. It really does. This is beautiful. I love it. Okay. Now this is linen. This is a natural fiber, so it's like these little pieces come out because there's like, it's not really wood. It's a type of flax kind of. So it's not like cotton. It's not that kind of fiber. It's not soft. It's a very rough kind of upholstery grade of linen. It's not like cross-stitch linen or anything like that. It's tightly woven. Wow. This feels so yum. You can go to Joann's and get, upholstery linens and quilt on them. They're really, really fun. Now I'm further away, so I can probably put the light up. There. Now you'll be able to see better. Well, I will. Yeah, I can feel this. It's almost like canvas. It might even be canvas. Who knows? I don't know if they make canvas out of linen, but this is... I thought canvas was cotton. And I can go all the way up to the edge here. So this is truly edge to edge. So I'm going over the edge. Because I have this leader cloth, it makes it really, really easy to do edge to edge. I don't have automation on this, but I pretty much don't need it. I like the free motion quilt, something I learned while I had my domestic on the Cutie frame. I did have a domestic. Now I have this wonderful knit-on. Now the pillow that I'm making this for is 11 by 17. 11 by 22, excuse me. So not terribly big. And as you can see, the linen blends right in. I don't know if you can see how wonderful this is. I just love it. I want to see some